Nung first lang, the very first hearing na imbita ako. And then after nun, I've not received invitations from the Good Governance Committee. Well, depende. Kung ano na naman yung mga tanong nila, we've been asking them kung ano ba talaga yung legislation na kinakraft nila. And hanggang ngayon, wala naman silang sinasabi kung ano yung legislation in aid of legislation nila dyan. Okay, yes. Last.
Ma'am, you have mentioned First Lady Lisa Matos in your previous press conference, I think twice or thrice. What exactly is the role of the First Lady sa panghaharap po sa inyo?
Pwedeng, sabi ni JC, sit down daw. Thank you. Magandang hapon.